Hey there, good morning everyone. So today is September 21st, 2018. So it's about to be the release today of the new Apple iPhones and the new Apple Watch Series 4. And right now it's about 4:50 a.m. and I just hopped in my car and I'm about to head to the nearest Apple store that I placed my order, and I'm gonna go make the line now to pick up what I ordered. So I ordered an iPhone XS, an iPhone XS Max, and also a Apple Watch Series 4. So it came out to a total of like $2,800 with everything, including taxes out the door. So I'm on my way now to pick them up and get a first glimpse and hands-on of them. So we're gonna be doing review videos, unboxing, take aparts, tutorials, a little bit of everything. So I'm really excited to get my hands on these new iPhones and the new Apple Watch. So I'm heading to the Apple store now. Like I said, it's about 4:50 a.m. I should be there probably within 30 minutes to 45 minutes max from now. So we'll see when we get there how long the lines are. All right, so I had to make a quick stop. I need to get me some coffee because I am tired. It is like 5:17 a.m. now, and I'm pretty close by now. I'm like 10 minutes away from the Apple store. All right, so let's go ahead and get some coffee and head straight to the Apple store. All right, so just made it to this is the Boca Town Center Mall. This is the Apple store where I'm gonna be picking mines up at. And I just made it here. I'm trying to find the line. Let's see where the people are lining up at. So we got a couple people here walking around. We have a bunch of cars here in the parking lot. So I mean, this looks like it might be it. But I don't see anybody lining up. All right, so there's a bunch of cars here. I mean, I'm guessing this might be it. But there's nobody lining up in front of the entrance. And that's weird because every year, people have lined up in front of the entrance of the mall to get their place in line. So I'm not sure what's going on here today. All right, well, hey, if there's nobody in line, I guess I'll go get in line and I'll be the first one. Oh, there they are. Never mind. I see the people here. There's not that many people, though. There's not that many people, so there's definitely not as many people as last year with the drop of the iPhone 10. So that's definitely a good thing. So let's go ahead and park over here. All right, so we made it. Let's go ahead and get in line now and wait like 3 or 4 hours. All right, let's go. Let's go get in that line. So here it is. Here's the entrance here to the mall. And there's a couple people here, but definitely nothing intimidating. Because last year, if this was the mall entrance, the line went all the way like over there. So this is not bad at all. So here I am the last person in line, even though I got here before a bunch of these people, but since I didn't register, I guess you're supposed to register and get a number. I'm the last one in line. Nobody else behind me. For now.
Cool spot.
Oh, they're doing the wave now. Oh, we're starting from here?
Alright, you're gonna start it, you cool?
I'm ready, buddy.
Alright, 2, 3, 2, 1!
All right, so since I did order online, I was able to skip the whole line, and I'm right here in front of the Apple store now.
On average, they are highly ordered. Very rarely do we come across a 10 minutes.
If I'm gonna pull and it fell in real quick and I pulled it out.
Alright, so they're here. This is what I ordered. An XS and a XS Max
437
and a Apple Watch Series 4.
Check.
Activate later. iPhone will activate when powered on or automatically on October 28th. Awesome. Go ahead and if you wish to meet, just verify the information.
See you, bro. Take it easy. Thank you. Alright, so I just got my iPhones and Apple Watch. I think I'm like one of the first people out of the store. Because I was one of the first people allowed in. And I just got my stuff and left. Thank God that was quick. Much quicker than last year. Last year I was here for like 4 or 5 hours. Today, I think just like 3 hours. Alright, so we're gonna be doing a bunch of videos on these now. So, stay tuned.